And I will be asking different children. Renuka, you know the answer? What is the meaning of cricket equipment? Yes, I know boys are too good at it. Yes, Adib?
The things which is used in that game, it is called the equipment.
In which game? You have to specify, na?
I mean cricket.
Okay. The things, the tools you
The
can call.
The tools we use in playing cricket, or we can call it equipments, is called the equipments of that game.
Hmm. Okay, good. And then you should name the equipments also, like?
Like pads, helmets, gloves, bat, ball, etc.
Okay. Yes. Good. Yes. Anyone else who also wants to answer this? Very good, Adib. It's a short answer. Anyone else also?
Ma'am, me.
Okay, tell better.
The equipments such as bat, ball, pads are used to play cricket are called cricket equipments.
Yes. And maximum, as much as possible, you can write about the names of the this tools and all. Okay. Okay. Next question I was asking is, why do you consider cricket different from other games? What makes it different from other games? Yes. I'm continuously watching the chat box. No, me. आप लोगों ने पढ़ाई नहीं की? This is your first paper ना? क्यों जनवल आज नहीं बोल रहा मी?
Please repeat.
What was the question?
What makes cricket different from other games? Why is it different from other games? Tell me a few points that makes cricket different from other games.
Cricket is different from other games because ma'am, may I
Yes.
answer?
Okay, Rudra, you can answer.
Cricket is different from other games because we need a number of players such as 11 players in each team, and we need proper equipments such as ball, bat, pads and other things and stumps, and we need three umpires.
Yes. Okay. Now, anyone else? I can see something in the chat box. Yes, Rudra has mentioned. Anyone else? What makes cricket different from other games? First of all, it takes a lot of time also, na? When we talk
Yes,
about test cricket.
And
yes,
test cricket takes
In
5
other
days.
games,
different test series
yes. Yes.
of five.
Shubhra? Yes, Shubhra? Yes. Shubhra?
Cricket is the only game which is played for 5 days, and the dimensions of the ground are not specified.
Yes, the dimensions of the ground are not specified. Very good. Because if you see the football ground, the hockey ground, even your kabaddi, anything, all, be it the basketball, everything are specified. There's a certain, the diameters and I mean the dimensions of the court and all are fixed. But the ones who play cricket know it that sometimes you see ना that oh इस game में तो बहुत सारे छक्के लगे थे क्यों क्योंकि तो ground ही छोटा था. So it's easier for you to put a sixer, hit a sixer, isn't it? So it depends on the type of ground also. So that means the dimensions are not fixed. This is a very nice point which Shubhra mentioned. So आप लोगों के सामने मैं इसलिए ऐसे करवा रही हूँ ताकि आपके दिमाग में ये बात रह जाए when you're writing. Okay? Okay. Next question I was asking is, do you think they tell me something about the main character of the story of Three Kings, Three Questions, the king. I want the character of the king. Anyone? Yes, I can see someone. Shubhra, just now you wrote? No. तरीशा, चित्रांशी, बेटा आप लोग सिर्फ ऐसे ही थोड़ा ना आंसर भी तो करो ना.
The king was a very curious character because he wanted to be answered because of his three questions so that he can rule more efficiently.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
Ma'am, king want to be peaceful. Ma'am, may I?
Yes, 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 beta.
Ma'am, king was curious and he want to live in peace, so he forgave his enemy who wants to kill him.
Okay. And anyone else? Good. And what else about the king you can write, especially? What type of person was he?
Ma'am, he is very kind to others.
Yes, he was a very compassionate person. See, you should use such words which will enhance your English. And we will come to know that, okay, this person is actually going to be in class 8 soon. Anything
Ma'am,
else?
he promised
How was his
his
sense
enemy
of judgment?
to his care and to give him his property back.
Okay. And
Even
he
he
went.
set up his wound.
Hmm. And he personally went to see this hermit. Isn't it? Usually kings don't do that. And he was not even ashamed of, he offered the hermit of digging the ground. Though even being the king, he did not feel ashamed of digging the ground. And he did it till the evening. Right? तो ये सब चीजें उसके कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताती हैं कि वो किस टाइप का इंसान था. यूजुअली किंग्स आर वेरी they decide that oh they're very rude and they're very they think that oh because we are in such a position we are not supposed to do such works, it will demean us or something, but he himself offered the hermit when he saw him working so hard.
Ma'am, he thinks that everyone is equal.
And he treated everyone as equal, and he also helped the bearded man for in bandaging his wound. He offered him water, he saved his life, and this helped him.
Don't treat anyone unequally.
Yes, and he had a very nice sense of judgment, right? So such
Ma'am, he is
you
very
should
hardworking.
yes, he was very hardworking. Okay,
He
and
had a
write
good
in past.
sense of equality.
Yes. Okay, and you should mention in one line how that quality, from where it is taken. Okay, एक इंसिडेंट छोटा सा एक लाइन.
When he helped the old man to dig the bed, the and helped the hermit to help the hermit and saved his life.
Yes. Okay. Next question, what I would like to ask is this Ashes story. What did the dog do to lead the farmer to the hidden gold?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, ma'am, to let the farmer to the hidden gold, the dog came into the dream of the farmer and said that cut down the pine tree over my grave and make make
Yes, beta.
make a mill for your bean sauce and rice pastry.
Okay.
मैम ये तो सेकंड टाइम वाला है, फर्स्ट टाइम तो वो दूसरी मैम वो डॉग पहले भागता है तो उसके पास.
हाँ. I wanted someone to pinpoint that actually. Good. That means
Ma'am,
you
may
have.
I?
Yes, Adeep, you have read the chapter thoroughly.
The dog came running to the farmer and kept on whinnying and running to and fro till the farmer followed him. The dog began a lively scratching, thinking it was possibly a buried bone or fish. The farmer stuck his hoe in the earth and found a pile of gold.
Yes, good. Okay. So next I was asking is the king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness?
Ma'am, he promised him to send doctor for his care and give his property back.
Okay. Any of the girls? Today girls are very quiet except for Shubhra, Prachi, Renu,
And
Rishika.
another point.
Yes.
The beard man to the beard man showed his forgiveness by serving the king.
The king. Okay. Param, you can also answer this in your words.
The king helped the king by showing his forgiveness, uh, sent his own doctor to the promised the bearded man to send his own doctor to care him and also promised to return his property.
Hmm.
Ma'am, may I?
May
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Parth.
ma'am, the king showed his forgiveness by sending his servants and his own doctors to look after the beard man and promised that he return his property to him.
Okay. Fine. Then I have actually taken out these extra questions so that you can see that if you see there are many extra questions in many sites. Okay. And next question which I would like to ask you is, okay, what is the flash point of a fire? What is flash point?
May I answer?
Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, any particular fuel has a particular temperature in which it started burns. This the particular temperature is called flash point.
Yes, good. Anyone else?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Peter.
Flash point is the minimum temperature at which a liquid gives off vapor within a test vessel in sufficient concentration.
Sufficient? Sufficient, what did you say?
Ma'am, sufficient concentration.
Okay. Shubhra, can you answer this?
Ma'am, ma'am, can I?
Yes, Peter, Param.
Flash point is the lowest temperature at which a chemical can vaporize to form a ignitable mixture in air. A lower flash point indicates higher flammability. Measuring a flash point requires an ignition source. At the flash point, the vapor may cease to burn when the ignition source is removed.
Okay. Are you telling it by your own or are you seeing it and telling?
Ma'am, by my own.
Actually, I searched it.
Okay. But in the exam also you're going to do the same thing, then how will we come to know कि तुम सच बोल रहे हो कि नहीं?
मैम मैं तब तक याद करके रखने की कोशिश
ऐसे ही लगता है. There are only few days left. It's on second, na, the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Why is fire considered a foe also and a friend also?
Ma'am, my mother wanted to talk you after meeting.
But I have got a class after the meeting. I have to rush to class 9.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can my mother call you?
बेटा शाम को मेरे और बिजी होते, मेरे बेटे का फ्रैक्चर भी हुआ है हाथ. I have to go to the doctor also.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
आप मैसेज कर दो कोई important है तो.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Next question.
Ma'am, why is the fire and foe? The fire is known as fire, friend and
Then
foe.
that is what the chapter is about now.
Ma'am, the answer is that fire can be destructible and dangerous, and can be friendly too. We use fire to cook our food, and if the fire gets out of control, it damages everything.
Yeah. That means if it is left uncontrolled, if is fire is used in control, it is very useful for us humans. But when fire is gone, when it goes out of control, then it can be very hazardous and it's very dangerous. It just perishes everything. You have seen in forest fires, isn't it? And especially this season when you see the air blowing and a little bit heat when it gets, सूखे पत्ते भी होते हैं. What happens is if one spark and it just starts this fire, and once the fire catches such dried leaves or something, it just goes on and on and on, and it spreads all over the dry places, and even trees and everything suffer. Not only trees, the animals that are living on those trees, everything perishes. Isn't it? We had seen the Australian fires and
Yes,
many ones. So that is why fire is a very sensitive thing, and ones who are dealing with fire have take utmost care of it. Okay.
Ma'am, can I again answer this question?
Ma'am, may I?
I want to give Shubhra a chance. Yes.
Fire can be considered both a friend and foe, but when it is under control, it is known as a friend. But when it gets out of control, it is turned into foe. It is a friend because we can use it for cooking food, but when it is out of control, it can destroy large buildings and industries and take lives of many people.
Okay.
ma'am, may I?
Good, Shubhra. Yes, Vita.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, Vita.
Fire is our friend and foe also. Just we consider, just now Shobra said that we can cook food, and another point is early human used fire to scare animals also. And it is a foe, it is a bad master or foe, because when it's out of control, it gives our heavy damage to our property and our life and our home.
Very good,
Ma'am,
very
can
good.
I answer?
But it's over. Now it's over. Now let's move to the next question. What was Mr. Jessler's complaint against big firms? It's from your textbook only. What was the complaint of Mr. Jessler? Yes, Peter.
The Mr. Gessler's complaint against Big Firms was that the Big Firm's business was not going on through his work, but it is going on through his advertisements.
Okay, fine. Next, next question. What I want to ask you is, what was Maya's opinion about Mr. Nath's visitor
Ma'am,
from the gift of? Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, may I?
Maya
Where
thought
Rudra is from?
Mr. Nath was crook because he lives in Shankar's house for an year ago, and he did not did work and take food from restaurant, and he did not talk to anyone. Every Sunday a visitor comes to home that has scars on his fire scars on his face, and Maya thought that Sunday visitor was his partner in his crime.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Was Nath's partner in his crime.
Harsh.
Yes, Harsh.
Maya thought that Mr. Nath visitor was his accomplice in his crime. He believed that he kept all the loot with him and used to come now and then to give his partner this share so that he could manage his expenses.
Okay, good. Good to hear you, Harsh. How did the author express his gratitude for the shoemaker in the end? How did he express his gratitude? What is gratitude? Thankfulness.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, ordered so many pairs of boots to help Mr. Gessler, but he don't need them because he helped the Mr. He helped Mr. Gessler because his elder brother was died.
Was no more, you can say, or his elder brother was dead.
May I?
Okay.
Okay, had died nahi hota.
Okay,
May I?
ma'am.
Yes, Adit.
The author got shocked and filled with sorrow when he knew about the death of Mr. Gassler's elder brother. In order to help him, he ordered so many pairs of boots. No, he did not want them, but he wants to help him.
Very good, very good. Okay, in your opinion, what was the author's? Sorry, not in your opinion. Actually, I want to ask that what, according to the chapter, was the author's opinion about Mr. Jessler as a bootmaker? What did the author think about Mr. Jessler as a bootmaker?
Ma'am, author thought that Mr. Gessler was found fine woodmaker who lives in a shop with his elder brother in a in a small part of fashionable town of London.
Yes. Okay, very good. So we are done with almost most of the chapters. Any other doubt you people want to ask me? Himanshu wants to answer. Himanshu, what did you write me? Sorry, I
Yes,
did not.
ma'am. The author was very impressed with Mr. Gessler. He liked the boots made only on order, and those boots perfectly fitted the customer. Their boots had the best materials and lasted long. He found the work mysterious and wonderful.
Very good. Very good. Good to see that you are attempting the question. Yes. Any other doubt you people have? Acha, you don't know how to write the name and how you're supposed to put it in an envelope and bring. I would prefer that it is a ruled. Some people have even started having the register. अगर किसी ने नहीं लिया तो रजिस्टर एक ले लो, वो बाद में भी काम आ जाएगा, है ना. उसके रूल्ड होते हैं पेजेस, उसी में लिख के और एक रजिस्टर में सारे पेपर्स आपके हो जाएंगे, all the exams, isn't it? But please
Yes, ma'am.
draw a margin, and please, last time we had faced huge problems because the printout which we took out, उसमें बिल्कुल भी समझ नहीं आ रहा था, आपने टेढ़ा मेढ़ा कैसे भी, चलो that was a click, but this time to solve that problem only this thing is there that you should come and give it. It is your hard copy. Okay, so margin अगर नहीं बना है तो आप neatly margin बनाओगे. All this will matter in letter and all. We are taking so many pains in correcting your papers and all that. तो प्लीज आप लोग घर में बैठ के दे रहे हो पहली बार लाइफ में एनुअल एग्जाम, मजबूरी है. इट इज द गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर्स. ओके, 9th to 12th तो यहीं पे देंगे, 9th and 11th are coming here and it is starting. क्या राघव?
मैम जून से मैम स्कूल स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं.
अप्रैल में होंगे ना बेटा?
मैम हमारे भी स्टार्ट होंगे ना?
हाँ होंगे
मैम नोटिस भी दिया था.
न्यू
Yes,
ऑर्डर.
ma'am. Notice आया था.
क्या बेटा?
मैम सर्कुलर आया था.
मैम
Circular आया था
नोटिस भी
group
दिया
में.
था सर्कुलर.
अबाउट द ओपनिंग ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let us
And ma'am, we have summer holidays from 5 June to 15 July.
yes, because you're in class 8th now, तो आपका class 8th का rule apply होगा. Okay. So what I was telling you is, let's keep our fingers crossed that yes, from 1st of April we will have the school, our normal school, because even we people are missing you, the classes are missing you, the benches are missing you. Okay, so but yes, we have to take care because the corona is not still gone. Again, you have heard about the new strand and all. Take care of your health and come healthy. Okay, and social distancing should be maintained always. ये नहीं कि आप घुस घुस के बात कर रहे हो, something that distance should be there. Okay, and another thing what I was telling, main is papers, please put it properly. Name, class, code, subject and signature of one of the parents will be on the envelope. Okay, because it should not fall down, it should be properly sealed. एंड ऐसे सील करना कि ऐसा ना हो कि अंदर के पेपर को भी आपने सील कर दिया या स्टेपल कर दिया तो फट भी सकता है आपका शीट. Okay,
Ma'am, the signature of the parent is important.
yes, get it done ना, आप करवा के रख लो या तो कई एनवेलप्स में.